There is an amazing mental activity that has power to make your life easy and solve many problems of your life immediately. It can remove confusion and conflicts from your mind and can bring you on the path of success. And the name for this incredible mental activity is the ability to make the right and quick decision. The ability to make right and quick decision is so important that every area of your life gets affected by this. Whether it's your career, professional life, family life, relationships, and even the mental peace is governed by your ability to take decision. In this video, we are going to discuss how to develop the mental strength of taking the right and quick decision. Making a decision is the activity of choosing one option from two or more than two options. When we have to choose from the right or wrong, then it is easy. Most of the times we choose the right one. For example, should I drink every day or not? Or should I drink beyond my capacity or not? And the answer is definitely no. Drinking every day can bring a lot of social and health issues, and drinking beyond one's capacity can create 1,000 problems and make life embarrassing. So that was an easy option of making decision when we have to choose between right and wrong. The situation becomes challenging when you have to choose between right and more right, or wrong and more wrong, or both the options look right or both the options look wrong. In that situation, how to make quick and right decision? First, let us try to understand what stops us in taking the right and quick decision. It is the existence of two opposite thought processes and feelings at the same time inside us. These are the feelings or situations like do, don't do it, study, watch Netflix, buy it, don't buy it, say this to her, don't say this to her, and the list goes on. There are thousands of such situations where we keep thinking and wasting our time without coming to a conclusion. Now we need to understand what is the main reason of this situation. There can be many reasons, but one of the most prominent one is your self-image. What do you think about yourself? This is going to impact your decision-making capability in a big way. Lower is the self-image, more time it will take to make a decision. People who lack self-confidence, they take a lot of time in making decision. And after taking a decision, they change it frequently because they are afraid of making mistakes and getting failed. But the people whose self-confidence is high, who are achievers, they are not afraid of failure. They take quick decision and they immediately start working on that. Even if they fail, they learn from their experience, take another decision and start working on that. And that should be the way to live your life. Now we understood one thing, that in order to take the right and quick decision, you should have high self-confidence. Now, how can you have high self-confidence? You can have it by changing your thought process. All the great thinkers and people have repeatedly said one common thing, that is, you become what you think about. If you think you are strong, stronger you will be. If you think you are weak, weaker you will be. So you need to work and change your thought process and make it the thought process of achievers. And how to change your thought process? By associating with the people of positive mental attitude who are really interested in your growth and progress. And how to do that, if you want to know further, you can write your question or your comment in the below comment box, and I will be more than happy to assist you further in this. Now, how to choose between right and more right, and wrong and more wrong? There can be many factors associated with this, but we are going to discuss three major points. Number one, what gives you happiness? It should be the real happiness, not the short-term temporary one. We are talking about long-term happiness and satisfaction. So choose the one that is going to give you long-lasting happiness. Number two is decision that matches with your vision and goals. Go for the options that matches with the vision and long-term goal of your life. This might give you some troubles initially, but in long run, it is going to give you more pleasure. And number three is follow your passion. If you have a passion in life, your decision should go with that. It might be challenging and difficult, but at the end, it will give you pleasure and success. Failing to do something doesn't make you a failure, but it makes you stronger in chasing your goals. So the 3 points that we discussed are: your decision should give you real happiness, it should help you in achieving your main goal, and it should be in sync with your passion. How to develop the ability of decision making? The process of developing a good decision making ability is exactly the same as other skill set, that is understanding and practice. You need to practice, and you can start right now by liking this video, by typing your thought process in the comment box that what you learned out of this video, and by subscribing to our channel so that you can get all our future videos that can contribute to your personal growth. Take a decision right now to surround yourself by positive people. Take a decision right now to give up just one bad habit that is creating trouble in your life. Take a decision right now that you are going to be a good decision maker. Our life is precious and our time on this planet is very short. Don't waste it living the life of an animal. Sleeping, eating, fear, mating, these are same in the human beings and animals. What differentiates us from the animal is our ability to think, our ability to take decision, our ability to dream, our ability to work on our dream and fulfill our dream. Think about this. Thomas Edison said, if we all did the things we are capable of doing, we would literally astound ourselves. Believe in yourself, start working on your thought process, self-confidence and decision-making ability. And one day you can be a strong decision maker who can take decisions without thinking about what others will say.